Hello, my dear students. I welcome all of you to my channel, RK Study Circle IIT. Today, in this video session, I'm going to talk about the important questions from pair of straight lines. Here, we have question number 1. If theta is the angle between pair of straight lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0, then prove that cos theta will be equals to modulus of a plus b divided by root over a minus b square plus 4h square. So entering into the topic, let's say we have a graph having x-axis and y-axis over here. I'm trying to write the pair of straight lines which are passing through origin. Let me write it is y. L1 is the straight line represented by y equal to m1 into x. Let's say theta is the angle made by L1 with respect to positive x-axis such that tan theta 1 is equals to slope 1 m1, right? And let me consider one more straight line. L2 is given by y equals to m2x such that theta 2 is nothing but angle made by L2 with respect to positive direction of x-axis, where I am writing tan theta 2 is equals to slope, that is m2, right? So here we have the angular difference between these two lines is given by, let's say, it is equals to theta. From here uh, from this observation we can write theta 2 is greater than theta 1, right? Theta 2 is greater than theta 1. So from this diagram I can write from diagram from diagram we can write that is theta 2 will be equals to theta plus theta 1. Am I correct? Theta 2 equals to theta plus theta 1, and theta value taken outside, that is theta 2 minus theta 1 written on one side. Now apply tan on both sides. Apply tan on both sides. Both sides. Therefore, we are supposed to write tan theta will be equals to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. So by using the trigonometric formula tan of a minus b, that is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. By using the same formula, tan theta 2 minus theta 1 is nothing but tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 whole divided by 1 plus tan theta 2 into tan theta 1. So we have to apply modulus of this one. Just now I have told you theta 2 is nothing but m2 and theta 1, tan theta 1 is nothing but m1. So substituting the same, therefore tan theta will be equals to m2 minus m1 whole divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. We just need to mention modulus of this one. Let me write this is equation number 1. Equation number 1. So here we have one more thing what we supposed to understand. General equation of general equation of equation of pair of straight line passing through origin, which is given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. Let's say I'm writing this one is equation number 2. Equation number 2, right? So the pair of straight line is given by pair pair of straight lines is given by is given by L1 into L2 equals to 0, where L1 is nothing but I am writing y minus m1 into x into y minus m2 into x. This is line L2 which is equals to 0. L1 L2 I have written over here. So I am trying to rewrite this expression m1x minus y into m2x m2x minus y, which is equals to 0. So upon writing this entire equation, we will get m1 into m2 into x square, then minus taken common outside m1 plus m2 into xy plus y square equals to 0. Let's say this one is equation number 3. equation number 3. So from the similar pair of straight lines, equation number 3, equation number 3 and equation number 2 are are representing representing same pair of straight lines, same pair of straight lines, right? Therefore I can write their coefficients are proportion to each other. Now from equation number 3, coefficient of x square is m1 into m2 whole divided by the from equation number 2, coefficient of x square is a equals to, here we have coefficient of xy is m1 plus m2 whole divided by coefficient of xy over there it is 2h, right? And then coefficient of y square in equation number 3 is 1 and coefficient of y square in equation number 2 was b, not b square, it is simply b. So from this equation I can write the product of slopes m1 into m2 is equals to a by b by cross multiplication, and similarly m1 plus m2 is equals to minus 2h by b. Therefore from the above mentioned equation I can write the sum of slopes m1 plus m2 equals to minus 2h by b, and the product of slopes m1 into m2 equals to a by b. So on the same line, I would like to write down the difference of slopes. So difference of slopes actually written in this way, the under root m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 m1 into m2, right? So if you substitute the sum of slopes and product of slopes over here, you will get the difference of slopes m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1, whatever it is, we'll get it is equals to 2 by b into root over h square minus ab, root over h square minus ab. So writing all these things in equation number 1, where where we have written from equation number 1, from equation number 1, what was it? Tan theta was equals to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, right? Modulus of this one. Therefore, I am trying to write tan theta will be equals to, the numerator is actually the difference of slopes, right? The difference of slope just now we have written 2 by b into root over h square minus ab whole divided by the denominator. In the denominator we have 1 plus product of slopes m1 into m2, we can write it is equals to a by b, that is a by b. By taking LCM on both sides, by taking LCM in both numerator and denominator, that is 2 by b root over h square minus ab whole divided by, within denominator I am trying to write a plus b whole divided by b. Here b and b gets cancelled, we have tan theta. Therefore the tan theta expression comes out to be tan theta equals to 2 into root over h square minus ab whole divided by a plus b whole divided by a plus b. So if you are having tan theta equals to 2 into root over h square minus ab divided by a plus b, it is actually, you can write tan theta is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side, right? So on the similar way you can write cos theta as a modulus of a plus b whole divided by root over a minus b square plus 4 into h square, 4 into h square. This is what we need to prove, this is what we need to prove, that is uh, cos theta equals to modulus of a plus b divided by root over a minus b key square plus 4h square.